Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in many physiological functions. Here are some of the key benefits of zinc for the human body. 1. Boosts immune function. Zinc supports the immune system by aiding in the development and activation of immune cells. It helps fight infections and may reduce the duration and severity of colds. 2. Promotes wound healing. Zinc is essential for tissue growth and repair. It supports cell production and collagen synthesis, which are critical for wound healing. 3. Supports growth and development. Zinc is crucial for cell growth and division, making it essential during periods of rapid growth such as childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. 4. Enhances skin health. It helps in treating acne by reducing inflammation and regulating oil gland activity. Zinc also protects skin from UV damage and promotes a healthy complexion. 5. Aids in enzyme function. Zinc acts as a cofactor for over 300 enzymes involved in various biochemical reactions, including digestion, nerve function, and metabolism. 6. Improves cognitive function. Zinc is essential for brain development and function. It influences memory, learning, and neural communication. 7. Maintains vision. Zinc supports eye health by aiding in the transport of vitamin A from the liver to the retina. It helps prevent macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. 8. Supports reproductive health. In men, zinc is vital for maintaining testosterone levels and sperm production. In women, it supports ovulation and overall reproductive health. 9. Regulates hormones. Zinc helps maintain balanced hormone levels, including insulin, thyroid hormones, and sex hormones. 10. Antioxidant properties. Zinc reduces oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, protecting cells from damage, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 11. Improves taste and smell. Zinc is necessary for the proper function of taste and smell receptors. 12. Supports bone health. Zinc plays a role in bone formation and mineralization, contributing to stronger bones. Here are 10 foods that are excellent sources of zinc. 1. Oysters. Zinc content: 32 milligrams per 6 medium oysters, 291% of the daily value, DV. The richest natural source of zinc. 2. Beef. Zinc content: 7 milligrams per 100 grams, 63% DV, particularly high in cuts like chuck roast and ground beef. 3. Crab and lobster. Zinc content: crab, 6.5 milligrams per 100 grams, 59% DV. Lobster, 3.4 milligrams per 100 grams, 31% DV. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Zinc content: 7.7 milligrams per 100 grams, 70% daily value. A plant-based source, also high in healthy fats and fiber. 5. Chicken and turkey. Zinc content: 2.4 milligrams per 100 grams, 22% daily value. Dark meat contains slightly more zinc than white meat. 6. Dark chocolate. Zinc content: 3.3 milligrams per 100 grams, 30% daily value. The darker the chocolate, the higher the zinc content. Choose 70 to 85% cocoa. 7. Milk and cheese. Zinc content: milk, 1 milligram per 250 milliliters, 9% DV. Cheese, cheddar, 3 milligrams per 100 grams, 27% DV. 8. Almonds. Zinc content: 3.5 milligrams per 100 grams, 32% DV. A convenient snack loaded with other nutrients. 9. Eggs. Zinc content: 7.7 milligrams per 100 grams, 70% daily value. A plant-based source, also high in healthy fats and fiber. 10. Hemp seeds. Zinc content: 10 milligrams per 100 grams, 91% DV. an excellent addition to smoothies and salads.
बीमारी से शिफा की दुआ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा आफिनी फी बदनी, अल्लाहुम्मा आफिनी फी समई, अल्लाहुम्मा आफिनी फी बसरी, ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता। ऐ अल्लाह मेरे बदन में मुझे आफियत दे, ऐ अल्लाह मेरे कानों में मुझे आफियत दे, ऐ अल्लाह मेरी आंखों में मुझे आफियत दे। तेरे सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं है।